Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you a gorgeous unit that I received from MyFirstWig.com, okay? And if you want to know all the hair details about this beautiful unit, definitely keep on watching. So I received a wig kit from MyFirstWig, and this comes with lots of goodies that you cannot miss for a flawless wig installation, okay? For example, there's a wig cap, a little bag with an instruction card, some bobby pins, a rat tail comb, also some crocodile clips, and also what I really like is a wig stand, and this really comes in handy because we need to store our wigs properly, okay? Okay, so the hair comes in this cute bag. By the way, I love the packaging and all the extra stuff you get, okay? And I received a 20-inch Malaysian beach wave lace front wig in cap size 2, okay? The large size, because I have a big head and I have a lot of hair. And also the unit comes with adjustable straps and combs, so that means you don't have to use any glue if you don't want to. And I don't want to. So that's definitely something that I liked about this unit, okay? So also the hairline is pre-plucked, which makes this unit perfect for beginners. I'm a semi-beginner, like I'm used to this, but still I love beginner-friendly wigs. And I didn't have to do any plucking because the hairline looks really natural. And this hair is so soft, and these curls remind me of wand curls actually, and I love wand curls. Like I'm in love with wand curls. So this unit definitely gives me summer vibes, and these curls are stunning. And this is the first time that I have a unit like this, and I love this curl pattern. So the installation was actually the most simple installation I've ever had in my whole life. I didn't even have to create or pluck a parting. That was already done when I received the wig. So I just had to apply a little bit of concealer just to define the parting. But that's actually all. Like, that's how I installed this wig. This was done in less than 5 minutes. No elastic band, okay, because the unit fits perfectly on my head, and no glue or gel. And to be honest, for me, if unit has those factors, then that's a great beginner friendly wig. So now I'm just brushing the hair because I wanted to see how the hair looks when I wet the hair a little bit, because sometimes you have like these perfect curls, but what happens when you wet the hair? So that was my test for today. So I was just brushing the hair first to see how the hair would react, and the hair was still like flawless, like okay. And then I went ahead and sprayed some water on the hair just to make it damp, not soaking wet, and then I applied a little bit of my Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter leave-in conditioner. This is a very lightweight leave-in conditioner, and this defines curls. So I just applied a dime size on this unit, because if you have like wigs and weaves, you don't have to apply a lot of product on them. So I just wanted to see how the hair looks when I defined the curls a little bit, and the hair looked the same, to be honest. I was like, okay, this still looks flawless. So I was so happy about that the curl pattern stayed intact even though it is wet. So this unit is definitely a wig I recommend. If you're looking for on fleek beginner friendly hair, check out the links in my description box. I also have a coupon code for you guys, so make sure you use my coupon code at the checkout so you can get $30 off, okay? Thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.